Y'all, look what I just found in my cabinet. If I can reach it. I think I can reach it. Ain't that sad? Freaking 5'10" and can't reach it. Hang on. Gold. so obsessed. Like, I can't even describe it. If y'all hate it, it's fine, because I love it. But I'm just gonna tell you where I got everything, just so if y'all want some of this for your own, y'all will know where to find it. The feathers hanging on each side of this, whoa now, picture came from lakesidecollection.com, and if they still have them available, I will link them below. I've been collecting stuff for probably about a year for this room, and I didn't even use everything in here, so they might not be available, but that's where I got them. This picture, the frame is from Hobby Lobby. This picture was originally pink in here, zebra stripe with a pink heart, and I painted over it. I painted this is my artwork. I painted over it white, and then I did the moon and the TP and just splattered some paint around it, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Moving down here, this laundry basket just came from Walmart. This basket right here came from the Dollar General. It's been probably 3 years ago, but they may have something similar. And in here is just where I'm gonna keep my fabric softener, dryer sheets, stain remover, stuff like that. I'm out of dryer sheets and stain remover, that's why. That's the only thing in there. Start over here. This one also came from Walmart. And then that's just another container just like that one. This is actually a 7th generation laundry pod container. And I just took the sticker off, and I keep bags in there. So it's a nice organized way to keep bags. Over here, this little cactus artwork came from Hobby Lobby, and they did still have these. I'll see if I can find it, but I absolutely love it. And it was probably the first piece I bought for this room, so everything's kind of centered around it, but it's probably one of my favorite pieces in the room. And then this hook thing also, well, the picture too. All three of these came from Hobby Lobby. The hook thing, and then the horse eye picture. And I have a white horse eye picture too, but I just felt like it was too much in here, so I'll just use it somewhere else. I forgot I didn't say anything about this piece of furniture. I've had this since I was a kid, and it has bleach in it right now, but I just keep, like, when I buy stuff in bulk, I'll keep it in there. I don't have any right now because I haven't really been out or been ordering because of coronavirus, but that's what I keep in there. And I'm sure it wouldn't be hard to, like, build, but pretty sure you can't buy one anywhere. Okay, the washer and dryer came from Lowe's. The industrial bar, whatever, hanger, these came from Amazon, and it was a pack of 4, and I just used 2. And then the board I just got at my local hardware store and painted it the same color as the mountain, this mountain. Okay, this little plant right here, it came from the Dollar General, and it actually is where you put, like, essential oils in here. And it was on sale. I got it this year, so they may still have it. The wash sign came from Hobby Lobby. This glass jar came from, like, a thrift store, yard sale type thing we have here. But, I mean, any clear jar would work. This plant came from Hobby Lobby, but the pot came from Rite Aid when it was still a thing. I don't know if there's... I think it's completely changed over to Walgreens now, but that's where it came from. This came from the Dollar Tree. This also came from a yard sale, thrift store type thing. I thought it was awesome. Little canoe, I fell in love with it. Same thing with this one, the plant from Hobby Lobby, the pot from Rite Aid, Walgreens, whatever. The dry sign came from Hobby Lobby. and I decided to put my little cactus trinket tray in here to put like spare change in if I find any, which I normally don't, but just in case. And then the little trash can, it matches my big trash can in the kitchen, and they came in a pair from Walmart.com. And I have no idea if they're still available, but I will look. So that is my laundry room, guys. I could not be more satisfied with it. I absolutely love how it turned out. It was everything I was picturing, and like I could not love it more. I love the whole vibe of it, the whole theme, everything. I really hope you all enjoyed, and let me know what you think about it below. If you don't like it, that's totally fine. If it's not your style, but I absolutely love it, and I keep coming to the doorway and just standing and staring because I'm obsessed. But anyway, thank you all for watching. What the crap are you doing? He was grounded from his toys because he stayed out till 2 o'clock in the morning, and he's got them back now, so he's happy. He's my child, don't judge.